Yini buwan. Welcome back to DIY Yolande. My name is Yolande, and as you've read from the title, I am sharing a huge announcement with you. But before we get to that, I want to say click that red subscribe button here at DIY Yolande. I empower and educate women to update their spaces by using power tools on a budget. So if you would like to learn how to install a wall paneling, create a headboard, install a bookcase, and many more other DIYs, click the red subscribe button and subscribe, and check out the playlists that are linked down in the description box below. In today's video, I am sharing with y'all the install a bookcase and many more other DIYs. Click the red subscribe button and subscribe, and check out the playlists that are linked down in the description box below. In today's video, I am sharing with y'all the biggest announcement, and that is I am an affiliate partner with Gelmar stores. So Gelmar reached out to me and said, Yolande, we love what you're seeing, we love the work that you've been shooting, and we can see how much you love our brand. You know what, we want to partner with you to do a very first of their kind an affiliate partnership. So that means if you guys click the link down in the description box below, and if you head to www.gelmar.co.za and you add all the items that you want to purchase from them into your cart, put in the discount code DIY/Yolande, you will score yourself 10% off your entire cart. But now it is important for you to note that the discount code does not apply to products and items that are on special, and it doesn't apply to Frankie products. But anything else in store that is not on special, you can definitely get a 10% discount on it. So head on over to the Gelmar website and enjoy your 10% discount. And if you know Gelmar as well as I do, you know that they already have good prices, right? So imagine getting 10% discount on already their amazing prices. So to inspire you guys on what you can get, check out this haul that I did of items that I purchased at Gelmar, to inspire you of things that you can get in your cart when you purchase from Gelmar. I got this stuff that is in here from Gelmar, and I just want to share it with you all real quick. So I'll be sharing what I got, why I got it, and the amount, right? So I got this round shower head. I will be using it for my bathroom shower. It says here it's easy to clean. It's round, as I mentioned. This shower head includes a water reducing washer, so that's good. So it helps control the water so that you do not waste amanzi. It was 125 Rand. So this is a very inexpensive, very affordable, easy update that you can do in your bathroom. It is homeowner friendly and renter friendly. As a renter, you can just unscrew the one that you have at in your shower, use this one, and then when you are moving out, you replace the one that belongs to your landlord. And then I got this over the door basket. I do wish it was longer. It sits down here. I would have loved that even more, but I'm definitely going to be using this under the kitchen sink cupboard. This is where I'm going to be using this baby, and I'm just going to be putting my stuff in here. It's called the over the door basket, and she was 40 Rand. And then I got this hook set. It's there's four pieces, and she was 17 rand. I'll be using her in my bathroom also. And then I got this 4-sided foam block, so this is for sanding for my DIYs. I think she was like 17 rand. No, I lied, she was actually 16 rand. So I got her. She's gonna come in very handy for my DIYs. Screws. Don't know me and my screws. I put screws. These were 31 rand. These are ideal for chipboard and pine board and pine. And these were 31 rand. There's 160 screws in here. So that's a good purchase. Oh yes, and then I got this mutton cloth. It's just for cleaning mainly, wiping down sawdust during woodworking projects, applying wood stain, cleaning up accidental oil spills. Yeah, that's what it's used for. And I purchased this because I'm tired of using my microfiber cloths, and then microfiber cloths doesn't work well with other with stains and things, with stains and varnishes and things like that. And how much was this baby? This was 10 rand. It's 100 grams long. Yeah. Okay. And I've already used this. I got this flexible wood sealant in the color pine. I needed this for the headboard DIY that I did, and this was 72 rand, so I got this. And then I got this utility knife also from Gelmar, and it was 39 rand. I'm going to be using this cutting open PR packages, orders I've made and things like that. That's what I'm going to be using this baby for. So yeah, and then I got these extra nozzles for my silicones and acrylic stuff for my cork guns. Yeah, and is that all that I got from Gelmar? Oh, how can I forget the one thing that I went to Gelmar for? I initially went for this item, for this one item, then I got everything else. But this baby was how much? Hey, you guys don't believe this. It was 49 rand. This is a cookbook holder. Actually, let me get the cookbook. Okay, so this is a cookbook holder, and I'll be using it to hold my cookbooks. Love it, and it is so durable. It's a good quality, not flimsy at all, has a proper nice weight to it. 49 rand. Go get it at your local Gelmar. I'm sure they still have many of these in stores if people have not already gone and purchased it, because I know for a fact that Takealot is selling the exact same thing for over 200 rand. And one thing about me, I ain't gonna do that. That's for sure. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and hit that red subscribe button. And follow your girl on Instagram at DIY Yolande, on TikTok DIY Yolande, Twitter DIY Yolande, Facebook DIY Yolande. I am DIY Yolande on all social media platforms. And always remember that with the DIYing, practice makes improvement. And most importantly, don't forget, power tools have no gender. See you next time. Peace. Here are some bloopers. But before we get to that, don't